somewhere, honey?
Come on.
It's time I took you for a ride, huh? That's a pretty slick scam, honey. Hire a local yokel PI to case out the box you're interested in, and then plant enough evidence against him so no one believes the story.
Why are you acting so weird, Nick? Must be working too hard.
Put your hands in your pockets, pal.
It's the cops! Let's go!
Don't worry about me.
I don't care about you, I'm worried about my cat!
As much as you do.
Yeah, so how's that our problem?
The way I see it, those paintings are still stashed at the house. And I figure we should go after them. Together.
I don't believe him.
My friend doesn't believe you. He thinks you should die.
Hey, I never said that. Now what's the appropriate punishment for a line-sucker crud like you?
Lighten up, Mark! Wish my hair was in a ponytail.
Whip rescued me from a man who beat up on me every day. When I met him, I had hit rock bottom, and he showed me something better. He treated me like a queen. He still does most of the time. I would do anything for that man.
Even kill?
with a smile.
Don't slaughter. You're not a killer, Mark. Don't.
Shoot him!